Christmas. 5x on cash-ins. Look at this, another number 10. Another 10 to 1 pair, folks. 3 sides and 4 rounds. Confidence over 5,700 winners now. Ghana, Mame, AJ, Terre Bien at top of the winners list. Special comments to you guys. Let's continue then. Hey, Terre Bien. Didn't I see you earlier as well? Well, either way, split is made. Best of luck. See what happens. 3x on the coin flip this time as well. And there we have it, folks. Crazy time. We've made it. Got the keys to the kingdom. So let's head on over. The big wheel awaits. See you there. And now, guys, it's your time to shine here, all right? Choose your flapper, green, blue, yellow. Which one are you feeling this time around? Which one speaks to your soul on this occasion? A lot of fans of the blue, huh? 37% of you guys already shaking it. 200x potential. Good luck. $25x on green, 20 on blue, and 200x on yellow. Hello again there, folks. Over 10,000 winners. Raycon, Terre Bien, Sarah, and of course all the other winners out here. Nicely done, guys. Yeah, definitely special compliments to the yellow team that time, yeah? To my fellows taking yellow. All right.
Welcome to Cash Hunt. Are you ready to hunt some cash? Hopefully you are. All right, so, I mean, pretty sure it's gonna be, right, okay, nice. Well, ladies and gentlemen, top multiplier, 500x. Good luck. But first, everything's gonna turn around, you know, spin a little bit, and then it's gonna stop, turn black and white. Now it's time for you to shoot your shot. So, figure out what resembles 500x to you. And if you can't pick, let Auto pick it for you. All right, let's see what you got. So, where is the 500? Ooh, there it is. Hey, congratulations to each and every one of you. You're doing great. And let's get back to the wheel. So, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. 9,168 total winners. Alex, Ness, and hey, congratulations to all of you top winners. Let's go. With another round. Here we go. Let's get them. Pop it, lock it, drop it. 5x on quiz time from Topslot. Let's see what you got. All right. Ooh, and we got a 10, just like you guys. A solid 10 out of 10. Right. Well, 6,298 total winners. We have and that's.
Oh, stop over there, please. Oh, honey, look at this. Wow. Crazy time with a 5x multi. Oh, yeah. Let's have some fun. Oh, vida. Hey, Luna is back home, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, yeah. Decision time also gonna be yours, but we got 5x multi, you know that? Nice. Wonderful spin, I agree, man, I agree. That was a beautiful spin. That's why some people call me Turbina Elina, you know? Decision time. Ooh, Juicy, juicy. I see some juicy multis. Green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, green, yellow, green, yellow. You're choosing. Anyway, 500x is the max multi. Good luck to you. Double wobble, smack, double trouble. Yo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Double wobble, smack, double in the building on the yellow team. Let's go. Oh honey, yeah! Oh! 1000x is the max multi. Yo! I have goosebumps right now, man. Can we get it? Can we get another double wobble? Okay, let's do this. 250x on the blue. Oh, wait, what? On the yellow. 125 on the blue and 100x on the green. I like it. Not that bad, you know? I mean, that's a good one. That's okay. We got a 6,254 winners. Enjoy. That's a good one. I love it. Not that bad, you know. Not that bad. Betting time is over. Good luck to you. That's a good start, I'm gonna tell you. Good luck to you.
Right now. Up next, guys, you got a number 5. Compliments all the winners here. Over 7,600 winners now. Mama, Ashish, Laughing, Kadizwa at the top. Betting time's all yours. Let's see. Yeah, Ariadne got the stats for you right there. 25, 20, and 200 on the last crazy time. So, spin is made. Best of luck. 7x on the cash, and that was Will. Let's see. Yes! Bullseye, baby! Could be the best one yet out of these bonus games. A 7x on the cash-ins. Oh man, let's put a Michelin star on this session, man. The way we're cooking. Look at all those 100x's. And of course, those 100s are going to turn into 700s with that 7x. Yeah, put some extra sauce on these. Alright guys, now then, let's pull the lever. I mean, a lot of good stuff here on the wall, right? So, I mean, of course, definitely, I'm sure those 700s have caught your eye, but even besides that, a lot of triple-digit payouts here, so hope you catch one of those. Go right ahead, folks. Your time to shine. Right, you got that cross here, just point and shoots to your favorite spots. If you don't do yourself, you can always let the auto pickers do it for you, too. I don't know, if I was playing it right now, I would go with bottom right, the bunny rabbits. Let's see. Well, I would have gotten 70. But yeah, all those 700 scattered throughout, they're like shining extra bright, so I'm sure you've seen them. Nice lunch, all the winners. Over 11,000 winners total. Dracon, Pablo, AK, and everyone else here. Congratulations. For especially it's those who caught the 700x's, guys. Let's keep it moving. Here we go. Last spin now as well of the session, guys. 7x on coin flip. See if we can finish off with on a good note as well. I guess we already kind of finished off on a good note, right? Number 1.
You're following me, Mr. Roku, because I just saw you in Crazy Balls when I was in Crazy Balls. We got a pachinko, and you said no more bonus. Then I am here, you say no more bonus, and we get cash on 5x. Are you like the lucky charm for me or something? If so, then please follow me everywhere in life. I need you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our third cash in of the session. This one just a little bit more special than the two ones before, because we have a 5x Topslot on it, so that is pretty nice, right? Multiply everything, please, for me. Thank you. It's going to be easier. So we have a 500x, few 250s, a bunch of 125s. Nice. We school, the level we started, the carousel numbers are now going to be mixed up all over the place. Going to go left to right, up and down. Now, that is crazy. Decision time now. Open your time to shine. Believe me when I say, like, in Crazy Balls, Mr. Goku also showed up, said no more bonus, boom, pachinko. He said no more bonus, no more Topslot, boom. Decision time closed, 500x on 3-1. If you got it, congrats to you. Now let's get back to the wheel. Congratulations to the 19 winners who got 500x, and also congrats to 1,044 winners in total. Betting time now open, and we go again. Betting time is now closed.
Ho, 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 there we go. Still we catching some Christmas gifts. The highest one would be what is going to be 100x. So we get a 5x on the top slot, by the way. 5x top slot. So the highest one would be, ladies and gentlemen. We got a 500x. 500x. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, here's the most important part to make like a locked one shot. Take your weapon, take your gun, choose the spot and make the shot and try to catch the 500x. Or something most impossible from your side. You can use all the big option as well if you don't want to make your own decision. So 5x top sword. I don't know, I just gotta grab this one. Like a hat, we'll see. What is hiding there? Ooh, the 500x was here. Cameraman, we get our winners. There we go. We had like a free play, could catch like a 500x. Mr. Mark, you get a 7,225 you to win with the 250. That's it, Bobby. No, depends how much you did catch Kenny. How much you did catch Motorburst? Kenny. Did you catch your Chris?
Sound on the Crazy Time bonus game. That's a cash hunt with a 15x. Oh my days. Welcome to the cash hunt. Guys, look at that. That will be 1,500. A lot of. Oh my days. Oh my days. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Let's shuffle everything. Come on. Come on, there's a really big chance to get a 1,000 to all of you. 1,500, excuse me, not a simple 1,000. So right now, the second time should one of the symbol. If you're not gonna do that, other people will choose instead of you. Imagine. First, cash hunt with a top slot. Unexpected. I'm going to this gift. 150, oh, excuse. Okay, if you got a 1,500, let's watch how much the people got it. 75 people. Come on, that's a lot. Congratulations to winners betting time. Welcome to Investment House. Welcome to the Crazy Time. 300 yards. That's crazy. Welcome to the Crazy Time. We'll be your host for a couple of spins. So yeah, definitely, but also being responsible. If you're not getting fun, consider take a break. That's close. 75 people got it. That's close. You're welcome. What was the top slot? Be the next. 6 on the cash hunt. Maybe there will be back to the bonuses. Yes, it is. On this time, we're gonna get a fetch back. Alright. Welcome to the Casinoscores.
Oh, baby. Hey, guys, you want to say something before we go? Sorry, Idas. We don't want you to get out. I'm so sorry. Any apologizers? Any apologies? No? All right.
told you? What did I tell you, brothers and sisters? Let's go. Crazy Tom, what's up next? Let's go. Let's go! I told you guys, 2,000 winners. Beautiful, I told you guys. What did I tell you? I told you gonna get something awesome. Let's have the best. Good luck, everybody. Can we get back-to-back, though? Woo! Love you, hug. I love you more.
10 with 3 excellent Topslot.